What's up everyone, welcome back to the Alpha One982, your YouTube paracord community. I hope that you're all safe and sound and that you're ready for today's project. The design inspiration came from Arlind, my paracord designer on the Instagram, so go ahead and check him Instagram profile. There you can find some awesome paracord project as well. The 4-strand bracelet core with the 2 working ends, you can find full tutorial into the top right corner of this video information cards. Also there you can find the tutorial for this awesome paracord bracelet, wearable smile, and many others. The length of paracord used in this project you can find in the description down below of this video. So that being said, let's start. I'm gonna take the right strand cord and create a little loop or a bite like this and insert it into the middle. Then from here I take the end of a cord and from the top side we're gonna insert it into the loop here, like so. Now with the left strand we're gonna do the same. Create a bite, insert it into the middle, make it to the left, and then from the end of a cord insert it from the top into that loop on the left side and pull. Now from here we're gonna take the gold cord and make it on top of the bracelet core and from the top into the gap between first and the second core strand on the left, like so. Now we're gonna pull it to the side and then insert it into this loop here, like so. And we're gonna do the same with the left one. So on top into the gap between first and the second core strand from the right side, and then to the side and in this loop here. Now we're gonna pull it to make it tight and continue. And we finished the first weave of today's project. Now we're gonna continue, create a bite, insert it from the top into the middle, and then we descend from the top into the loop, like so. Now the left strand, bite, and then into the middle, then to the side, and with the cord from the top into the loop. Now the right strand on top of it and into the gap between first and the second core strand. Now from here into the loop and to the side. The same with the left one. So on top into the gap, to the side, and through the loop. Now tight.